Hi everyone. Today we are picking up our chicks.
Yeah.
How many chicks do we got coming in, guys?
7.
15.
15.
We got 15 chicks coming in. Yay. Ooh, ooh.
Yay!
What are you gonna call yours?
Rainbow.
You getting 3 breakfast, lunch, dinner? That's right. We're gonna have 3 breakfast, lunch, dinner, and then everyone is gonna have 3.
No, I'm gonna have rainbow.
Okay, so we have 3 roosters coming in, and the rest are all going to be our girls that are hopefully going to be giving us plenty of organic eggs. We are super excited. What?
He got on me.
Okay, so we're super excited about our chicks.
Yeah.